Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your BGS class. And students, our today's topic is Chapter 6, Lesson 4 Discussion and CQ-1. So let's start our class. This is Chapter 6. Today we will discuss Lesson 4. Vote and casting vote and rules of contest in election. This is the lesson's title. At first, we will discuss about the qualification of a voter. Number 1, he or she must be a citizen of Bangladesh. Number 2, he or she must be 18 years of age or above. Number 3, he or she must be an inhabitant of the election area or constituency. Number 4, he or she must not be insane and was not declared bankrupt by any court. So these are the qualification of a voter. Now, process of casting vote. Two systems of voting. That means there are two systems of casting the vote. The first one is open vote and the second one is secret ballot process. So the first one, open vote. In open voting, a representative is elected through raising hand or vocal support. It gives instant result. Number 2, secret ballot process. One has to cast his or her vote to marking their favorite candidate on the ballot paper and dropping it in the box. The result is declared later when counting is complete. Many countries, including ours, follow this system. Now, rules of contesting election. Okay, there are some rules for contesting the election. The first one is any person can contest an election as a member of any party registered with the Election Commission or as an independent candidate. Number 2, the candidate must be a citizen of Bangladesh. Number 3, the candidate must be at least 25 years if he or she is to contest for membership in Jatiyo সংসদ or chairmanship or membership for Upazila Porishad. Number 4, the candidate must not be certified as insane or bankrupt by the state in Bangladesh. And the last one, number 5, is the candidate cannot contest an election while in government service. Now, Chapter 6, the creative question. At first, look students, this is a STEM, and from this STEM, there are 4 questions. Many students expressed their interest to become the class captain at the proposal of Mr. Amjad, the class teacher of class 7. The class teacher put a box in the classroom and instructed everybody to cast their favorite candidate. After counting the votes, when it was declared that Farida got the first position, followed by Sabir and Nehal in second and third position, all students cheered them up with claps. Then the contestants greeted each other. So the first question, what is the basis of modern democracy? Number B, what system is followed in electing the President of Bangladesh? Explain. Number C, explain the election system followed by Mr. Amjad from his class. And the last one is greeting the winner class captain by the other contestants will strengthen the base of democracy. Give your opinion in favor of the statement. So at first we will discuss the first question. What is the basis of modern democracy? Students, this is the answer. Number A, the basis of modern democracy is election, which is run through secret votes of the adult citizens. Now the second question, number B. What system is followed in electing the President of Bangladesh? Explain. Number B. In electing the President of Bangladesh, indirect election system is followed. That means here the citizens do not elect the President through voting. During the general election, the citizens elect members of Jatiyo সংসদ through voting. These elected members elect the President. Now number C. Explain the election system followed by Mr. Amjad for his class. Number C. The type of election held in Mr. Amjad's class belonged to direct election. A class captain may be well compared to a member of parliament who is directly elected by the people of his or her constituency, gaining most of the total votes. Such thing was happened with Farida, who got most of the votes in her class, while Sabir and Nehal secured the second and third position respectively. On the basis of the principle of democracy, Farida was made captain. Mr. Amjad played the role of presiding officer. Sabir and Nehal would assist Farida in maintaining discipline and other affairs in the class. The result being announced, all the candidates congratulated one another. This reflects one of the norms of democracy. Now students, the last question, greeting the winner class captain by the other contestants will strengthen the base of democracy. Give your opinion in favor of the statement. Now number D. Yes, I agree that the practice of all the contesting candidates congratulating the elected captain will strengthen the foundation of democracy. It is reasonable that the winner of maximum number of votes will represent the people of that area's constituency. At the same time, it is also reasonable that candidates securing less votes will congratulate one another along with the winning candidate. The practice of democracy will be differed if the winning candidate cherish negative attitudes towards the opposite parties. Ensuring welfare of the people and not creating chaos and confusion among them is destination. If the ruling and the opposite parties get busy with blaming each other, the people have to suffer consequently and democracy will fall behind. Only their cooperation and creative works will strengthen it. Students, your vacation HW will be HW 13, Chapter 6, CQ-1 A and B. This is your vacation HW, vacation HW, and you have to submit your this HW number 13 on 29 May. 29 May you have to submit your this HW. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.